好，we are good morning, such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So we are going to make some rillette. It's a kind of meat paste, and here is the spice we use. 所以我们现在用的这些呢，是有parsley, leek, thyme, and rosemary, romarin, and garlic. 把它们捆在一起，然后做成一个汤，把它捆在一起。啊哈，你看中间那个葱，大葱可以把它捆在一起，然后再用那个叶子给绑起来。要帮忙吗？这个比较法国式的。放在一边。好，这个呢是买的这个猪肉 ，This is a pork butt, no? Pork butt. A little bit fat, and you want it to have a little bit of fat， 让它有一点点肥。un peu gras, comme ça c'est plus délicieux。然后给它切成块儿。差不多一个inch cube， 1英尺这样的方块。So on va couper en cube. So we cut into 1 inch about this kind of cube. You can see. 对，你这个刀好用吗？另一个刀好用。A lot of work. 对，差不多横3下，竖3下，哎，大小差不多就行。到时候一煮，它都飞了，都煮化了，都煮的没形了。这样呢，它那个 fiber 不是特别长，刚刚好。So this way, the fiber is not too long, it's not too short. That one we can take it out. There is a little bit. That's not the. So in case you see this kind of not so pretty part, cut it out. And this a little bit fat is not a problem. Not a problem. But you see sometimes it does not look good. Take it out. Okay, we will fill it up， 把它都给切满了，然后放到这个里面。OK, on va continuer les couper, la couper, la découpe, la découpe. C'est la courte français. So this meat is not very expensive. 这个也不是特别贵，5块钱、6块钱，1个美元1磅，这一堆是3磅，差不多3.5 pounds。然后 ，pepper， 胡椒和盐 ，hello。然后待一会儿再给它转过来，再放一次，可以。这个是 coriander， 你就是放所有的 spice，anything a lot of spice. This meat needs a lot of spice. We put some pink pepper, and this is mustard seed. Hello, mustard seed and cumin. Oh, and last time we put the cumin without grinding. It is better to grind it. It's so much better. 好，这个是芥末籽儿，还有粉胡椒，就是把你们家所有的这些料。能找到的，没有什么太怪的味儿的，都放里面。好，放上油。Hello, the bottom. 哦，又该加油了。好，放一点点油，这有点太少了，这个油。 所以一次不要放太多。你看现在差不多铺的它都有地儿了，哎，这样就好。要是一次放的太多，它就不能够均匀。So you can put half of it. We have put completely, and then we take it out so that it can fully develop the flavor and fully get through. Use the strong fire. 这个时候你放最大的火 the blue fall.这个要久吧。待一会儿吧，先让它把那层油炸干，把那层水分炸干。把它拿出来，然后再放剩下的这一半。就用这个夹子给它夹出来，这样它还有水，那个味儿还留在里面。差不多了。Okay, you take it out and you use this spatula to take it out instead of using a spoon to take it out. So, we will do 3 times. So some of it is caramelized. This is the best. Oh, this is the best. A little bit brown. This is the best. 让它烤的有一点焦了。Un peu caramélisé. Wow, this is too bad. And put everything back in. 把所有的都放进去。这个不需要。对。Put the spice on the bottom. 好极了。然后放上 stock。如果你们家有鸡肉 stock， beef stock， 我开火了啊。Beef stock or chicken stock, any of the stock, 好极了。然后 now we cover it up and use very, very slow fire and cook it for 3 hours, 4 hours until all the fiber fall off from the piece. That's it. Okay, let's take a look. This is 1 hour later, and we bring it to a boil after with slow fire. And now we use super duper slow fire and let it cook. Cook it further for 2 or 3 or 4 hours more. 所以1个小时以后，差不多就是这样的。你先给它弄开。用小火焖开，从始至终不用大火，不用中火，一直是用小火，然后现在就用最小的叫微火，对不对？然后给它再做它2个钟头、3个钟头、4个钟头， 火越小，这个肉越软。OK, une après c'est comme ça, voilà. OK, on va continuer. OK. OK, 这个是2个小时 2 hours later. Now we will press it. 还不够啊。So make it into a mash. 你可以垫着手套，这样不会咯叽咯叽的。
挺香。
哇。
Sorry.
哎，它不能zoom in，反了。哇。
No.
Okay, so this is kind of finally. It does not look like rillette, but it's even more delicious. A little bit like carnitas, but the fiber is shorter. Anyway, it's unbelievably delicious. Put on bread or just like that. Enjoy.